Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can deactivate Facebook account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for facebook.com. Now click on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Then select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. The account settings will open up. Simply access the Meta Account Center and open the Personal Details tab. Here, select the Account Ownership and Control tab at the bottom. Click on Deactivation or Deletion option and select your target account from the list. After that, choose if you want to deactivate or delete your account. I will select the Deactivate feature and continue. It will then tell you that all of your pages will be deleted. Click on Continue, select the appropriate reason for the action, and continue to the last step. Here they will ask you to enter your account password to complete the process. And that's how you can deactivate Facebook account. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.